station on Space to Ground.
Welcome to Space to Ground. I'm Katherine Clayton. This week we had a spacewalk and settled in for story time. NASA astronauts Michael Hopkins and Victor Glover completed the first spacewalk of 2021 on Wednesday. The duo worked on installing power connections to the Bartolomeo science platform, which hosts payloads for scientific research. 2 of 3 bundles of cables for Bartolomeo were connected. The time ran out before a third bundle could be hooked up. It will be attended to on a later spacewalk. The astronauts also installed a Ka-band terminal to enable independent, high-bandwidth communication links to European ground stations from the Bartolomeo platform. This was the first spacewalk for Glover and the third for Hopkins. Stay tuned because Mike and Victor will conduct a second spacewalk together on February 1st to complete long-term battery upgrade work. NASA and Boeing recently announced a new date for the next Starliner flight test. NASA and Boeing are targeting March 25th for the Boeing Starliner's second uncrewed flight test. The Orbital Flight Test 2, or OFT-2, is an important step forward in NASA's Commercial Crew program. The OFT-2 mission will launch the Starliner on a United Launch Alliance Atlas V rocket from the Cape Canaveral Space Force Station in Florida. It will then dock to the space station and return about a week later. This test flight is a critical milestone in order for Boeing's Starliner to fly crewed missions to the International Space Station.
What brings you out here? Mr. Krill whispered quietly. We're looking for a superhero, Willow stated, quite mightily.
On Tuesday, NASA astronaut Shannon Walker read Willow the Water Bear by Houston Kidd live from the International Space Station as a part of Storytime from Space, a program that combines literature with science. Kids and families can enjoy a great book read by an astronaut on station, as well as science demonstrations that complement the science concepts in the book. The program is sponsored by the Center for the Advancement of Science and Space, and the videos of the stories and demonstrations, as well as the curriculum, are all available for free on the Storytime from Space website. That's it for Space to Ground this week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.
Subscribe for more space.